Hello friends, today I want to talk about how to change charging ports in a phone. And this method I'm going to teach today is applicable for all China mobile phone. You can use this way to change the charging port. But first of all, you have to use a meter to check if the positive and the negative are well connected. The positive and negative is for charging. The positive is located at this point. The positive is located at this point, at the right part of this charging port, and then the negative one is located at the left side. Positive here and negative here, positive here and negative here. So to check if the charging port is okay, you have to read the charging port legs. There are 5 legs here, but the main important side is to read the positive for charging and the negative for charging. To read it, you place the meter, you place the red wire of the meter to a surface, to a hard surface, then place the black one, the black side of the meter wire to the negative side. It reads. You know that if the positive or negative reads, you know that the legs are okay. And when you plug the charger is not charging. You have to remove the charging port and change a new charging port. Let's see how it goes. So now you have to use a blower to blow up the charging port, but first you have to apply a paste on it. You have to apply a paste on the charging port to enable the paste not to get bumps. Apply a paste. This one. So the next thing to do here now is you have to use a multimeter to read the both legs that I was talking about. You have to place the red wire to a surface and earth, and place the black one to the charging port area. Okay, the charging port legs are okay. So the next thing you have to do now is to change a new charging port. Put a new charging port on it. I'm actually putting a new charging port in it. So let me hold it. I'm actually putting a new charging port. So guys, we are done. Let me couple it up. Alright, the next thing you have to brush it off. Brush off the paste.
Seems to be a little hazy.
That exact same feeling when I entered the house.
I saw a property yesterday. When I went there, I felt a weird connection to that place. All the rain about it. Wait to the escape. Hold on.
Alright. friends is actually charging. So we are done. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe for more videos in the next videos. Thank you very much.